crazy. So, made a toaster strudel. Dang it! So are you sure you want to film today? Shut up, Gary! Oh, Jesus. I just told you I'm fucking tired. Well, if you're wondering why I sound different, heroin, I mean caffeine changes your voice when you drink it, you know. So, toaster strudels. So, what you do is you take your toaster strudels and you take them out of the lunch. Jesus. You take them out of their bag and put one back because you got two of them. Yeah, that's what you do. So, dang! You see me? Fudge, my toaster strudel. Toaster strudel, okay. Okay, the toaster strudel. You take your toaster strudel. Sir, are you sure you want to film today? Yes! Shut up, Gary! I told you yes! Sir, did you? No, I didn't take any of that. So, you're gonna wanna, take your toaster strudel, put it in the, toaster! Put it in the toaster! I'm put it in the toaster right now. Now go, see me. See me. See me. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. Oh, fuck! Sir, are you Gary? What have I told you? You can't have any of my caffeine. So, you're gonna put it in the toaster. Yeah. What's this down here? What's the fridge? It's cooking. Well, don't mind this. There's a toaster behind here, so. There's a toaster. You better believe me, there's a toaster. There's a toaster. Go make sure it's on the right side. Oh no, it's too. Ever so delicately put the toaster strudel in the toaster. Yeah. And then, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Me making toaster strudel. It's very great with the heat of the toaster, you know. You know? I got midgetism. It's like when you shrink in the middle of weird situations. Not because my socks are slippery. That's for sure. I told you guys, caffeine changed my voice. It's caffeine. It's not heroin. I mean, it's not. It's not anything else. It's caffeine. Yeah. Caffeine. Caffeine. Why won't this thing hurry up? It's being a dork. Toaster strudels a real dork. Oh! God. You scared me, toaster strudel! You're gonna want to get these things. I have these things because they're cool. I'm like, Gary. So you're gonna want to take your thingies so you don't burn your hands. We're gonna want to take your toaster strudel and put it on the counter and stuff. You might want to use a paper towel to put it on. All these things are tiny. You can find them at your local. I don't care. Oh, shoot. Oh, aha! I just took a little break. So now that you're over here, got your toast strudel, got your rice, icing. You want to take your icing and shut up, Gary. Gary's doing something. He's doing something with somebody. You're not gonna want to rip it the right way because it's definitely not the right way to do it. Tastes good. You want to just slap it on there, and then just put it on there. Just dab it on there. Oh my God! My accent! Oh, dang it! Dab it on. What the heck? Just get it on there. You gotta want to suck out all the rest of the juice. You got all this stuff out. So, if you're on the go and stuff and you don't have any spreading tools like a butter knife or a spatula, you're just gonna want to use your fingers. So that's what I'm gonna do because I don't have one out. If you didn't know how to make a toast strudel, you're pretty damn stupid. I'm sorry for saying a bad word. Pretty dang stupid. Good. Good. Good toaster. Toaster strudel. Oh my God! That was weird. So you're gonna wanna take your toaster strudel. Fudge! Oh, okay, so I made a new toaster strudel. Here's the toaster strudel. Here's a finished product. You're just gonna wanna take a little bite out. Pretty good. Gary, you wanna try? Okay, take a bite. What the hell is? Gary, why does your voice keep changing? I don't know. You're falling again. Oh, jeez. Oh, dang it. Well, do you want a bite? Sure. This tastes good. Yeah. Totally, dude. Yeah. Gary, why'd you spit it out? It's so good, I just had to. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess Gary liked it. He kind of spit it out, though. I don't know why. It's pretty good, though. Hiya, Mom. Oh my God. Guys. The caffeine, the caffeine wore out. So now I don't talk like a stupid Englishman. Stupid. Toaster strudel is pretty good, if you ask me. Well, if you ask somebody like, I don't know, my cat, he'd probably be like, oh, it's even better! Oh my God! I love it so much! He'll love it way more than I do, because he's a cat. I'm just going to keep eating this for my enjoyment. Very good. Very good. And now, last bite. pretty darn good. You're going to want to put these back, of course. Put your toaster strudels back. Throw this out. And right out. And toaster strudels back in the freezer. And so, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I very much did. You guys should go out and buy yourself some toaster strudels. They are amazing. Like, hands down. Hands down. Amazing! So, go out yourself, buy some. You might not have to buy them yourself though. You could like get your mom or something if you're too young to buy them yourself, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my cooking show. So, with straw. I hope you guys enjoyed. And, yeah. Oh, God, my voice is changing again. I wonder why. Well, anyways, I'll see you all later next time. And whatever we're gonna make, whatever we're gonna make. I don't know about my voice, guys. Anyways, see y'all later next time.